Yo, this is New Year. I have new update for you. So yours is to just rush now and perform this simple task to win a 5K free funded account. Remember, this account has simulated capital. It's not a real fund. Take note of it. Okay, so if you are first time watching video on my channel, remember I do video about free funded account, no deposit bonus. If you're interested in any of those videos, make sure you subscribe to the channel and don't forget to turn on notification. All these updates are limited account and some are have expired. Okay, so yours is to turn on notification. That is the only way when I upload video onto the channel, you can get notified very early to join those taxes to get an account. So today I have just simple update that was announced, which was publicly available. You can also go and do your own research before you engage with them, if only you are interested in it. And remember, I'm not in partnership with this profile. I'm just doing my own research, giving you the update. Yours is to go there and do your own investigation. So let me go to my Discord server that I show you this simple update. And you only have one task to perform, and that is all. Nothing else again. Okay, so if you are enjoying most of my video on this channel for very long now, you can give me a like right now. So this is the trusted proof. Okay, they are giving 5K account in 14 hours. So they updated this on uh 2nd January 12:42 p.m. and I'm recording this video exactly 3 p.m. So it's left with some 11 hours to go. So till tomorrow. That is why I said you have to subscribe to this channel because most updates are limited and they are going to select 40 people to give this account to. It's going to be a random pick. Okay, so the only thing you need to do now is to do this task, engage with the post. Okay, this X post. Okay, just go and like and share, retweet, and that is what, and take a screenshot of it. After you take a screenshot of it, come to the Discord server where you have to post the proof in this channel giveaway tags. Okay, you post the uh screenshot here. The only those who complete the tags will be eligible for the prize or the account. Okay, so you don't need to rush and do anything massive much here. You only need to click on this link. It will take you to the post, and what you have to do with the post is to do what? Like, share, and retweet. Okay, that is all. And comment. Okay, make sure you comment anything that you think is engageable. Do that. Take a screenshot of it, and then what? Come back to the Discord channel, which is here, Discord channel, and locate what? Giveaway tags. Okay, you can see people will start uploading here. Let's check on the channel where they said we should upload it. Okay, so let me open this channel, giveaway tags. Okay, so let me just open this tags quickly for you. Good. It's loading. It's loading. Let's wait small for this to open. Okay. Guys, it's just a simple task. Okay, it's just a simple task to perform. Okay, it's just a simple. So you can see it. People started posting this right here already. You can also do this, and then that is for. Don't feel lazy. Okay, these are real. Don't feel lazy. Just perform the task, and you will win an account. It's very very simple to do. Nothing more, nothing less. Okay, just rush and perform this simple task now.